In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip images in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to reverse an image so it faces the other direction, DaVinci Resolve makes this very quick and simple. This is useful if your photo or graphic is pointing the wrong way, if you want a more balanced composition, or if you just want to adjust the look of your project without needing to edit the image in another program first. To get started, go to your image clip in the timeline and click on it to make sure it's selected. This is important because DaVinci Resolve only shows the settings for the clip you currently have highlighted. If the wrong clip is selected, you may end up changing something else by mistake, so just take a second to confirm that your image clip is the active one. Once the image clip is selected, open the Inspector tab. You'll usually find this in the upper right area of the interface. The Inspector is where you can control a lot of the visual settings for a selected clip, including position, scale, rotation, and other transform options. If you don't already see it open, just click on Inspector to bring it up. From there, look under the Transform section. This area contains the controls that affect how your image appears in the frame. Among these settings, you'll find the Flip option. This is the setting that lets you reverse the image direction instantly without needing any extra effects or manual adjustments. Now simply click Flip. As soon as you do that, your image will be flipped. This change happens right away, so you can immediately preview the result in the viewer and see if it looks the way you want. If needed, you can always click again or adjust other transform settings afterward, but the actual flipping process itself is just that simple. And that's it. That's how to flip images in DaVinci Resolve. It's a very fast edit, but it can make a big difference when you're trying to improve the visual flow of your scene or correct the orientation of a graphic. If you're working with multiple images, just remember to select each one individually before using the same method in the inspector.